Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Guy with Gadgets. It's me, Hamza. Today we just talk about the latest edition of Quantum Computing Unleashed. Today, we delve into the remarkable achievements of Chinese scientists who have just unveiled their latest quantum computer prototype, Jiuzhang 3.0. This technological marvel is setting new records in photonics quantum computing and achieving speeds that were once unimaginable. Let's explore the incredible breakthroughs made by this quantum machine. Chinese scientists, led by the renowned quantum physicist Pan Jianwei, have unveiled Jiuzhang 3.0, a quantum computer prototype that's pushing the boundaries of photonics quantum computing technology. In this latest iteration, they have achieved an astounding feat by detecting and manipulating 255 photons. This quantum computer demonstrates a quantum computational speedup of 10 quadrillion times in solving complex problems based on Gaussian boson sampling, GBS, when compared to the world's fastest supercomputers. GBS is a classically intractable problem, and Jiuzhang 3.0 inches solves it with remarkable efficiency. One of the key innovations that enabled this breakthrough is a newly developed superconducting nanowire single-photon detection scheme with a fiber loop-based configuration. This technological advancement allows the quantum computer to detect a significantly larger number of photons, elevating the complexity of photonics quantum computing. By demultiplexing photons into time bins through delays, the researchers have achieved capabilities for pseudo-photon number resolving. This innovation is at the heart of the incredible speed and efficiency of Jiuzhang 3.0. To put the quantum computational advantage of Jiuzhang 3.0 inches into perspective, it's 1,000,000 times faster at solving GBS problems than its predecessor, Jiuzhang 2.0. Even the most complex GBS samples that Jiuzhang 3.0 inches can compute in just 1 microsecond would take the world's fastest supercomputer, Frontier, over 20 billion years to complete. This staggering difference in processing speed highlights the immense potential of quantum computing to tackle problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers. The journey to establish quantum computational advantage is an ongoing competition between classical algorithms and quantum computing hardware. The Jiuzhang series of quantum computers is pioneering this field, achieving significant milestones along the way. The researchers anticipate that this remarkable work will not only drive further research in classical simulation algorithms, but also inspire the quantum computing community to address various scientific and engineering challenges. Ultimately, quantum computers like Jiuzhang 3.0 inches have the potential to unlock computational power that was previously unimaginable, propelling scientific and technological advancements. That's a wrap on this exciting quantum computing update. Jiuzhang 3.0 inches is a testament to the incredible progress being made in the world of quantum technology. Its unmatched speed and efficiency in solving complex problems illustrate the promising future of quantum computing. Stay tuned for more fascinating developments in this rapidly evolving field. Thanks for watching.